How y'all doing? It's your pastor, Pastor Feel Good. And let me tell you ladies, I do feel good. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about cuss. Cuss? In order to find cuss and figure out what cuss is, you got to know what cuss mean. The C in cuss stands for center. The U in cuss stands for unusual. The S in cuss stands for spread. The other S in cuss stands for shape. Now, in cuss, you gotta have a lot of steps in order to get where you trying to go. So I'm gonna break it down for you. Alright. Y'all see I just got my hair done. Looking all feelish, goodish and things. But in the center of the cuss, you got to have the mean, the median, and the mode. These are three important things that you need to find cuss. In the U, which is unusual, you got to have gaps or outliers. In the spread, you're going to have range or IQR, or you're going to have the minimum, the maximum. In S with shape, you're going to have either skew left, skew right, or symmetric, or no shape. Now I'm going to break it on down for you how you're supposed to find these things right here. With the mean is the average, is what you do. You take it, you add it together, then you divide it by how many things you have. Can I get an amen? Amen, Bishop, amen. Thank you. Now, for the mode occurs how many times a number you have over and over. When your gaps and your outliers. An outlier is the number you have past your fence. So your fence is the barrier around your numbers. And if you got something outside of that, it's called an outlier. Now a gap is when you have a number. Give you an example. If I have a number on 2, and I don't have another number till I get to 22, that's a huge gap. Now, the range and the IQR. The IQR stands for interquartile range. Now, to find your range, you're going to do your maximum, which is the highest number, minus your minimum, which is your lowest number. And to find the IQR, you're going to take your third quartile minus your first quartile, which means the biggest number in the quartile range times your smallest number in the quartile range. Now, to find your shape, you're going to figure out if it's a skewed left, a skewed right, or is it symmetric? Symmetric means that it's even on both sides. And if it's skewed to the right, it's going to have a slope. It's going to go like this. It's going to go up, then it's going to drop on down. And if it's skewed left, it's going to go up, and it's going to drop on down to the left. Now, this is the basic and your common facts on how to find cuss. If you have any other questions, want to know anything else, don't hesitate to call Pastor Feel Good.